Hello guys, welcome to part 1 of how to create a snake game in C#. For part 1 we are just going to set up the form. It should be a quick part. So let's change the title of the form to say snake, and then it's also going to display the score. We'll have it start in the center screen. We'll have the size be 316 by 239. I'll explain why it's that in a second. We will make it so it cannot be resized and it cannot be minimized or maximized. And finally, I'll rename the form to form main. This is out of personal preference. You do not have to do this. And then the only control we're going to add is a label. So for the label, we're going to set the text line to middle center. The text itself is going to say snake created by Matthew White. It's going to have some directions. Use the arrow keys to change directions. Use the space bar to pause, then press enter to begin. We are going to change the font size to 12, and then auto size is false. We are going to fill it for the doc style, and then okay. And then for the name, we're going to change it to LBL menu, standing for label menu. And that is the setup for our form. Now the reason we have the height and width of our form being 316 and 239 is because that accounts for the pixels on the non-client area. So the client area, which is this gray space, is a nice and clean 300 by 200 pixels. That means there are 30 10 by 10 pixel blocks in our width and 20 10 by 10 pixels in our height. And one block, which will be one part of the snake or a piece of food, is going to be a 10 by 10 pixel. It'll all just work out evenly. You can make it bigger, just account for the fact that on your width there's going to be 16 pixels that you cannot use, and on the height there's 39. And that's the end of part 1. Part 2, we are going to be creating the food class.